just watch with me.
How you doing? This is Watchman Lee. The show is Watch With Me, and we're doing another police video. This is Entitled Woman Calls 911 on the Cops. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what happens.
On September 29th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on an individual with a suspended license.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
I'm wonderful.
Officer Hernandez, Orlando Police Department.
Okay.
Do you have your license and
What
registration?
you pull me for?
I'm going to let you know.
No,
how I
tell
go.
me before.
No, get your license and registration.
Let me call 911 and get a lieutenant, because I seen you behind me the whole while.
Ma'am, this is not an emergency. I'm a police officer. I'm pulling you over.
All right, so we're jumping right into it. She gets pulled over. They're not telling her why. Well, they said they're going to tell her as soon as she identifies herself. I guess they ran her tags and saw that she didn't have a license. So now she's trying to call 911 on the police. All right. She's already doing avoidings, which is showing that there's something's wrong. Let's jump back in it.
I want to know why you pulled me over, because I seen you.
Your license is showing suspended.
No, my license are not suspended. That's a lie. I've been seeing you. I went only to train to pick my...
Ma'am, do you have your license with you?
I don't know. I don't know nothing about it.
Why are you calling 911?
Because I want somebody on the phone with me.
I am a police officer. You are safe. This is a traffic stop.
Okay, listen. Okay, listen to me. I'm on, I came to Orlando.
You need to hang up.
I don't have to hang up. I'm on the call.
This is not an emergency. I am a police officer. I'm not from Orlando. I came to get my friend girl a ride from this place. I seen the officer behind me the whole while. I knew he was following me. Ma'am, you need to hang up. You're about to go to jail for misuse 911.
She's on the phone. She's on the phone.
This is not an emergency. Hernandez, okay?
His name is Hernandez.
You need to hang up. Okay, hey, step out of the vehicle.
I literally was just,
You're about to go to jail. Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle. Okay. He said my license was suspended.
Why are you calling 911?
I called 911 because I don't trust y'all. That's the reason why. And y'all will stay on the phone, please. I only came to pick my friend girl up.
Okay.
I don't understand why we're going through all these extra steps.
I don't either. Thank you. I'm on the phone still. No, don't take my phone. He's taking my phone, man.
Right now you're being detained.
Okay, now I am.
Okay.
That's crazy. I'm only giving my friend a ride. And I called 911 because, don't turn me around. Don't tell me what to do.
Hey.
I'm right here.
Listen.
I'm compliant. I'm on the phone with 911.
Just stand there.
Knock it off.
He was wrong.
Relax.
I'm relaxed. Why would you pull me?
Because I'm allowed to pull you over. I just told you your license
me my license
suspended.
suspended. My licenses are not suspended.
It's showing suspended,
My
ma'am.
licenses are not
trying to
suspended.
verify.
Let's verify that.
Okay, verify.
showing
But y'all
suspended.
cannot be mad because I called 911. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home.
So, ma'am, listen to me real quick. I'm not.
But
Hold on. What's your first name?
Akira. I'm on the phone, ma'am. I'm on the phone.
She's calling 911.
Yeah, because
it's not an emergency.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He told me he pulled me over because my license suspended, and that's a lie. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home, way back to Brandon. He lying on me. My license ain't suspended. I drove a whole hour and 40 minutes to get my friend.
I don't understand why we had
She
to go
was
through all
talking to
this.
me. She asked me a question, and she called my name. She pulled my license. She told me that you can put me in. My license ain't
Why are we
suspended.
going through all this?
Because he was wrong. I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get my stranded friend.
Could have just.
I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get a stranded friend.
Female.
Yeah, I'm very searchable.
Well,
I'm very searchable. I don't got nothing on me. I don't have no pockets. I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get my friend. He
Can we talk
lied.
for 5 seconds?
Yes, but
okay,
he's lying.
but I need you to be down here. So,
I'm down here.
look,
Come
I'm
on.
even going to show you. Oh, stop right there.
down.
Stop right there.
Sit
Look,
down.
So,
I don't like that.
look at this. So, we ran your license. It says license not valid. Okay?
Why?
I don't know why. That's why we're trying to figure out. But you started getting all uppity with
Because
us.
my license shouldn't be suspended. I barely even drive. Okay, you can take me wherever you want to go.
We don't have to even do this. It's for a
Take me. I
suspended
don't
license.
care. Okay, take me.
We were going to be nice to be like, hey, listen, you might not even know your license.
understand.
You are not being nice to us. Now you're going to jail for resisting.
Okay.
She's still in the midst of this, is arguing, and they saying they were trying to be nice. They're going to let her go, but she's still fighting it. I think she knows her license is suspended. That's why she's talking about she went all this to help a friend out, but she's not. What she's complaining about don't match what they're stopping her for. So I think she knows her license is suspended, and she's just trying to make an excuse. That's just my opinion. It looks funny.
Resist what? Okay,
Silly.
come on.
This is the most silliest thing I've ever had to arrest someone for.
Okay. It's crazy.
Excuse me. Move back. Just say it. Just sit down. Drop it.
Yeah. Now we got to tow your car.
Okay, it's fine.
This all could have been avoided.
It could have.
I don't understand.
Just a warning.
Listen, my license shouldn't be suspended.
Okay, there's no need to call 911. I told you multiple times to hang up. It's no emergency. Hey, I told her multiple times, hang up. It's not an emergency.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, it's gonna be her.
I'll get the
We have to inventory it now because.
It doesn't matter. He still don't have permission to search my car.
Okay, well we have to inventory it because we're towing it.
It's okay.
Listen,
It's okay.
no.
It's okay.
Like I said.
It's okay. It's okay. Do what you gotta do. I don't do drugs. I don't smoke. I don't do drugs.
Okay, man. Did you have an insurance lapse?
No, I have insurance. I have progressive insurance.
You do.
I do.
So your license got suspended for a financial responsibility.
My son got in a car accident on my red truck, and he wasn't able to provide insurance. So they suspended my license and his license on the strength that at the time he had an accident in my truck. I was in that.
So she knew it was suspended. And I know it might not be her fault. It might be her son, but she knew her license was suspended. She should have just said that, and they could have worked with her. But now they're towing the car. They're arresting her. Her friend is already stranded, so they can't help her. And apparently her other car has been totaled. So it don't look good. Let's jump back in.
Atlanta.
Okay.
And being that he wasn't able to provide it,
All right.
they suspended. But
Okay, then why couldn't we start this from the beginning? But you started going crazy on us. And you know what? You want to know honestly what we would have done? Oh, listen, ma'am, go get this fixed.
Yeah.
But you went crazy on us, and now we're going to jail.
I ain't did nothing, so of course I'm gonna be like, what you putting me for? If you're the type of
You're driving on suspended license, okay?
I understand.
Majority of the time,
now.
we're not going to take you to jail for suspended license. We're either going to give you a summons,
That's
or we're going to say, hey,
understandable.
listen, go get this fixed, okay? But when you start acting like that and start going nuts,
listen, no, can I be honest with you?
You take it out. No, we're done talking because you don't want to listen to anything that I'm saying.
Okay.
Ma'am, I tried to explain to you. Multiple times. Hey, listen, my body camera is rolling. I said hang up multiple times. This is not an emergency. Okay? There is a crime for calling 911 when there is no emergency.
No, I
am a
thought it
police.
was
No,
emergency.
ma'am, are you going to let me speak? Just let me speak. I'm trying to tell you. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want your wallet with you?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, let me get her wallet. I got her phone.
Hey, she had knowledge that her license was suspended. She said
told you?
yes.
Suspended?
And yeah, right there. All right, you good to go? Thank you.
Y'all won't understand it until you have to go through.
I would understand it if you were more compliant with us. We would have probably given you just a warning. but you weren't compliant at all from the get-go. So
I told you multiple times to hang up.
What you told me, I still have a right to say
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I just told you it is a crime to misuse 911. I told you it was.
let's go. Call it out. Give out the.
Yeah, let's go.
She was charged with resisting and misuse of 911.
So there you go. It's another case of she's got in her mind what's going to happen. So she thinks she can just talk her way through everything. All it does is aggravate people who are trying to tell you what's right or wrong or whatever. And the bottom line is they decide what happens in that situation. You can argue all day long, but the more you argue, the more guilty you look. So it's hard to tell. But if she would have just waited, I'm sure it would have worked out better. People don't want to lock you up for something stupid. And if it's, my son had an accident, I owe this money, they suspended my license and his, they're going to say, get it straight. Anyway, Watchman Lee, show is Watch With Me. Going to keep watching these videos, and hopefully we can come up with some solutions so we don't keep making these dumb mistakes. All right, see you in the